Welcome back to the She Speaks AI channel, where we empower DIY entrepreneurs like you to leverage AI for your business success. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily bring your still images to life by using an AI app in Canva. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this tutorial will help you create dynamic and engaging visuals for your projects. Don't miss out on more incredible insights and techniques from the She Speaks AI channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the newest AI tools, passive income strategies, and products. Let's thrive together.
All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to bring your still images to life by animating them using this cool app I found in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do, open up our video design here, and then I'm going to add a picture. I'm going to add a still image to here. Now you can upload your images. I'm just going to go ahead for this video's sake and do what I had done one before. So I'm going to use this pro element here in Canva. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. This is my second time doing this video because the first time I had the mute button press. Ain't that about nothing when you got the mute button press and you done did the whole video? Anyway, so now I've got my video here or my image that I'm going to animate. So the next thing I'm going to do is come over to the apps and I'm going to search for Animate. And then just press enter. And you want to get the one that says Image Animate. Select that. Now you've got your image here. Make sure that it is selected. And so now you have your motion range. I'm going to leave it the way that it is. The motion length, I'm just going to make it 3. You can change it and play with it because this is free. So the duration seconds is 3. The duration is 3 seconds. So I can have it to loop it more times. I'm going to go to 2 times. And that'll be 6 seconds. And so everything looks good to me. And now I'm going to press generate and we'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, so now we have our video. It is in animation mode here. You can see it displayed on the left-hand side. I'm going to head and click add to design. And there it's adding it to the design. While it's doing that, I will get rid of the one in the back. And then let me go ahead and make this bigger. Gives you a little notice that it's been added. And let's go ahead and run it. So that's what it looks like. Let me blow it up here. Let me press play. And there we have what our animated still image now looks like. So it's really easy to do. It's fun to do, and you can piece these things together, make it longer, maybe make some reels out of it, whatever you want to do. But it's fun to bring those still images to life using Canva. Anyway, until we meet again, you guys be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.